Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel AniScript Hub. And today's tutorial we will going to cover one of the most useful feature in Karate framework UI automation testing. We know that feature is the scenario outline. This allows you to write efficient test for multiple test data inputs without repeating any code, making our automation to be running smooth and scalable. So let's jump into it. And For this today we'll be using this source demo website having Swag Labs. There are multiple users. If you can see here, standard user, logged out user, problem user, then performance glitch user, error user, visual user, and the password is same for them, secret sauce. So we will be doing a feature file using scenario outline where we will log into this particular Swag Labs website using different users, but we will not repeat our automation code. We will use the scenario outline feature. So just jumping right into it. So earlier this was our feature in which we have done the user login. In that we provide some user and the password in our feature file. Then we jump directly into the login page. But now this is scenario outline. This is the driver setup. Then the google.com will launch. Driver will get maximize window. Then it will launch the source Swag Lab website, and then we will wait for that login page. And here we are passing some username. But again, the main difference, earlier what we have written the scenario because we are using the single set of data. But when we have multiple set of data and we are using the scenario outline, so instead of scenario we'll be providing scenario outline, and we will provide all our set of data in the form of examples here. So just suppose I want to parameterize this particular user, so I will write here username, and then it will wait for password, and we are inputting some password here. So I will again parameterize this section. So now, and we in the examples we will provide these values for different data sets. So just providing this complete header, username, then password. These are the two headers, and then getting the value. The first value should be the same here, users.user2, and before that we will define the user in our scenario outline.feature file. Here we will pass this thing again, and in the create section also we will pass the password. Okay, so in this is the first set of data that we are passing. So here what it will do, it will users.user2.user. So in the user.json file we have user2 and then user, the standard user, then the create secret source. Similarly, when we provide the user3, it will use with log.user, and the user4 performance glitch user. So let's provide all these three. 3 4 3 4. Cool. So now we will run our feature file that we have demonstrated using the scenario outline. Okay, so all our feature file has been failed. So let's see the report. Why it has failed? Okay, so it's coming here. OR is not defined. So, okay, we haven't defined this or that contain the locators. Similarly, we have to define those part also. Just give me a moment. This one. We haven't defined this part. This is the locator repository that we have to define. Now let us trigger it again. And even though it failed, but yeah, it executed for the 3 times and we have the 3 examples. So we are triggering it again. It passed the first scenario, second scenario, and the third scenario. Let us refresh our report. Yeah, so all the scenarios have been passed. We have written only one single set of scenario using the scenario outline, but we have provided multiple data sets and we have executed our karate framework scenario using this one only. And at the end, let us provide some delay and then we will take a screen snap. Screenshot. So just to ensure that we have logged into the with particular user. Okay, so cool. That user has been logged out. So it will get failed. Yes, so our scenario has been passed and let me explain you why the second scenario did not fail despite of being logged out. Because whatever the scenario, we have to enter the particular username, then provide the password, then click on the login button. And then we have to wait for the delay of someone and then take a screenshot. We have not added any validation for this next page. That's why it didn't get failed out. It had performed all its functionality and taken the screenshot and it's passed. So we can, in the first scenario, you can just see that it has logged in. In the second scenario, it hasn't gone to that particular page because the user was logged out. And in third page also, it gone to this particular thing page. So today we have covered this scenario outline functionality where we can pass multiple data inputs using some parameters, and with the help of examples we can provide these things. In the next video we will see how to provide these things using some tabular format so we don't have to rerun our particular browser multiple time session. So we will cover that in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt or if you want any particular topic to be covered in Karate Framework UI, so you can connect us at connect@aniscripthub.in. You can mail us on that part. You can do a comment on the YouTube video also, so that we will try to cover those topics as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.